So what's up your block? Have you walked down your block and looked at the side of the road or in an abandoned woodland? As we squirrel ourselves away, inside or close to home, sometimes if you look around, even walk up the block, you see greenery right on my block. Some beautiful flowering wild roses. And for years, a giant wisteria vine has been parasiting itself onto this tree and blossoming. Here's a pokeberry, I think, and loads of these lush, unknown weeds, which have a strong smell. There's a wild cherry tree with some little cherries or berries growing. Here's some deliciously luscious and beautiful poison ivy. And here's a bunch of these, which I don't know what they are. There's loads of them. Here's these lush weeds again. And look at what I found. Some spearmint. Maybe somebody planted it here. Some plantain, I think. And more spearmint mixed in. If nobody knows what this is, I think I'm going to harvest it. There's another unidentified plant, probably called a weed. Maybe somebody knows what these giant leaves are. I don't. Here's another large-leafed plant. Looks like dandelion leaves. Maybe. Maybe not. Uh-oh. And right behind it, the three-leafed poison ivy. And here's a nice little mini field of these things. That looks like a wild rose bush of some kind. And there's its mommy. I think I can guess what this is. Probably a mulberry tree, because I think those are mulberries. That's my best guess. I could take one of these leaves and try to identify it. Spend hours looking through my book, Trees of North America, which I won't do. Let's just call it a mulberry tree. And then there's delicious, sweet honeysuckle. The scent wafting up into the air, carrying for quite a distance. There it is next to some wild rose flowers and those weird weeds that get quite tall, actually. But look at that honeysuckle. Unbelievable. Probably my favorite scent from a flower. Honeysuckle. And there it is, mixed in with the poison ivy. There it is, the sweet and the sour. So take a walk and let us know what you see when you just walk up your block. And to borrow a phrase from the Daily Woo, walk up your block, shall you? So walk up your block and see what kind of unknown and half-known greenery you see. Jeff Goes Random.